Oh, Perry. Call that backwards. Lucky. Lucky
Stay
call
with
on that
her! Good job, Mac!
Good job, Mac. Very good.
Ooh.
Really? Looked good to me.
No, that would have been clean.
I thought so.
That was a gator.
I thought so. Thought that was okay.
Yeah.
Did he call it high? Just because she reached over?
But technically, it should have been the other girl leaving her feet in her up.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, totally.
That's... That's one of the things she learned with the women.
Yeah?
That gator roll she just did.
Yeah.
Where we were practicing and she was like, I'm never going to use this. And now.
Yeah.
Now she's like, it's my favorite thing to.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's my favorite thing to do.
She was very charismatic forever.
Was that one lady like, there was a lady. I'm in.
Jesus.
She was like, I was in.
These guys should make sure they take a little bit of Gravol before they watch this, because
Why?
what was that?
What was that called?
It was on a scrum. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, and we won it.
I've never seen that before. Hard, Nicole! Keep your feet moving! Nice. Yeah, get it out. There you go.
Oh!
Good job.
What was that last call? Do you know?
I don't know what that was. I really don't.